what you got? Good. The easiest spot to mess up on is right here. 3 minus a negative becomes plus. And we have a tendency to think, oh, it's negative, I don't need to put the subtraction. But you do still have to do the subtraction on it. Is that what you got? Good.
For solving algebraically on a test, will it give us the choice between?
All it says is solve algebraically.
Okay.
You can use elimination or substitution. Okay. Does that make sense, Kelly? You with me?
Yeah, at
Okay.
first, for some reason, I started putting it in slope intercept form.
Oh, okay, gotcha. No, you just, and that's the advantage of this one, is that you leave it just like that. Now, if you get to the test and you cannot remember Kramer's rule, at least solve it algebraically or by graphing, at least give me an answer. Because you'll at least get partial credit for solving it, even if you don't solve it the right way, okay? In other words, I want to see you work on this stuff, okay? So that you've solved it the way that I've asked you to solve it. But if you get there and you can't remember Kramer's rule, do it another way, okay? All right, that actually brings us to our linear programming and the solving of the 3. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and put your homework up here. I'm going to grade everybody's quiz that I have, Vivian, okay, and give those back to you so we're sure that we don't have any problems on that. Okay, so we've covered everything except for your linear programming, which is your graphing and finding the ordered pairs, plugging it back in, finding your max and your min. Now, there is one section on your homework where they just ask you to graph it. They don't ask you to find the max and the min. So, I want you on your homework, I want you to do page 176 through 178, 12 through 38 even. Now, one of these is a word problem. I think you guys can do it. Give it your best shot. Okay, if you really get confused, just leave it blank, but at least show me that you tried, okay? So you guys work on that, I'll grade your quizzes and give them back to you.
So there is a problem on the quiz that I know I got wrong. And it's